What's up? It's Mucho, and I was away with the family, and we went off to DC. So, first time I've been. My wife has been before, but this was a new experience for me and my son, of course. So, what we're doing is we're just walking around the National Mall. The lake was entirely frozen. Didn't bother my son at all. And we're just checking out some of the sites. This here is the Lockmaster's house, and it was on the way down the National Mall. And along the way, we met some of the local inhabitants. The squirrels, quite friendly, along with most other people. But one of the things that was most impactful to me, not only was the people's kindness, but if you had to pick a favorite memorial, mine would be this one coming up, the Washington Monument and the Abraham Lincoln Memorial. Absolutely awesome. A little bit down the mall on the opposite side, you get eventually to the World War II monument, and it's massive. It's beautiful as well. Walking in from the Pacific side, I noticed this halo. Gorgeous craftsmanship. I mean, all of the monuments are really beautiful, but this really stood out to me. It just looked so, I don't know, heavenly, just kind of floated there. I mean, I know it's supported, obviously, but it's very floaty. Here, about as far, well, I could have taken video, but this is inside of the National Archives. So to my right is the Declaration of Independence inside of a case. Really cool place. Across the street, a little ways over actually, was the Museum of Natural History, and they had the Hope Diamond on display. So just took a good minute or two to sit here and admire the beautiful jewelry that was in this display case. Just a gorgeous gem. The facets really catch the light. It just very, very wonderful to look at. They had it on a little Lazy Susan, so it would turn itself around, and you could see every bit of that diamond, all 45 and a half carats of that diamond. Just absolutely amazing piece of work. It was a real item, right? Hope Diamond. I know we all think of Titanic, but there you go. There's the real one. We went to the Smithsonian National Air and Space Museum, and it's impressive. You look up and things are just hanging over your head. Satellites, rockets, planes, lunar landers, just the gambit of things floating around in the sky. It's all hanging, suspended by wires for you. And just an impressive museum. I mean, right around the corner from the lobby, there's the kind of Pan Am and American Airlines and some of the commercial air stuff. And you get to go through one of the planes here. This is really cool. This is what this plane's fuselage would have looked like. You know, you walk right in, and to your right, it's a cockpit. Hey, there it is. That's where the captain would have sat, the co-pilot. That's how they would have navigated the plane. Just so much instrumentation, and obviously you have comms behind you there. And then, yeah, you would have had passenger seats. Look at that. You won't find seats like that on a plane today. Facing your neighbor with a table. Yeah, right. Yeah, people used to be comfortable. This was a really impressive display. I think this was talking about our approach to the moon, but this was about wind turbines or something. I can't remember exactly, but huge video wall wrapped around in a projection screen, and those are the projectors they used as a Panasonic special lens. And while we were there, the pipes busted. We had one of the pipes bust near the Capitol building, and we were there to tour the Capitol building. And it started snowing on us shortly after we left. But we got inside pretty quick, so it wasn't too bad. Yeah, next door to the Capitol building is another museum. This is the Native American Museum, and huge building. It looks like the inside of a teepee, I guess. And we wound up at the Portrait Gallery, and I just got a shot of the atrium. Needless to say, we were wiped out by the end of this trip. I had a lot more to show. I wanted to just show you the video clips, though. But that's going to do it for this one. A quick little Wasabi Wildcard. Mucho out.